Good morning. I finally able to get out and make this sound video for you guys on this power that I posted yesterday. So just give you a little idea of its pitches and stuff like that. Having issues this morning, having issues. Asthma is kicking my tail. That's about all I can do at the moment with my asthma. Hopefully that gives you some idea of what it'll do. I apologize that I couldn't do better this morning. Hope you all have a great day. Thank you very much.